Hello everyone, welcome to Homemade Chef, where we'll be making different recipes every week. Today I'll be showing you how to make Sev Puri, a very famous street chat which needs no introduction. Come, let us see how to make it. First we will make puris. For that I have taken a bowl of wheat flour. And we have oil here. Don't measure it, I'll tell you how much to add. And we have roasted cumin powder, which I have roasted and then ground it. And here we have salt to taste. Now take the wheat flour in a bowl and add salt to it. Now here I am adding roasted cumin powder. This is completely optional. Give it a mix. And now let us add oil now. I'll tell you how much amount to add. I'll show you how much we can add. Little more cumin powder here. And start mixing the oil well with the flour. And when you rub it against your palms, you should see sand-like texture like this. It shouldn't be less, oil shouldn't be less. It will not become crispy well. So this is a very important step to make puris. Now let us add water and make a stiff dough. Ensure that it's not a very soft dough. You will have difficulty later. See, this is how stiff it needs to be. Now cover it and rest it for at least half an hour. The more you rest, it will become well. See, this is how it has turned out to be now. It has become a little smoother. Now let us roll it. Let us first make balls out of it, and now let us roll it. You can make it in two ways. One is using a presser, make small balls and directly press them. I am showing you the other method, where I am taking a little bigger ball and rolling it to a particular thickness. You have to keep a bowl handy. See, this is how thick it is. See, with a bowl which has sharp edges, you can just cut it like this. Press it and then remove it. See, we have roundels like this. So this will be a little quicker also. And now we will have to poke each and every puri like this with a fork or a knife. This has to be done so that the puri doesn't puff up when we put it in hot oil. Now here there is hot oil. If the puri puffs up, it will become soft later. Fry it in a medium flame. This is the color that is desired. Make all puris and keep aside. Here we have puris. Let us see what other ingredients are required for assembling. One of the important ingredients is sev, roasted cumin powder, red chili powder, and here we have green chutney. Link to the recipe is in the description. Here there is sweet chutney. Link is again present in the description. Chaat masala, 2 boiled and mashed potatoes have, and here thin cut onions and tomatoes. So come, now let us prepare this mixture for stuffing. And to these boiled and mashed potatoes I am adding salt. Then let us add chaat masala as much as desired. And now I am adding some cumin powder. Okay, now let us add red chili powder. This is also according to your taste. Now mix all of them very well and keep the stuffing aside. Now let us start assembling. Here in a plate I am going to assemble the sev puri, keeping it at a distance. Now let us use the potato stuffing and place it on each of the puris like this. And now let us add onions. Again, all this is according to your taste. If you want more, you can add more. If you want less, you can add less. Now tomatoes. Again, as per your choice. Now let us add chutneys one after the other. First is green chutney. Again, the order doesn't matter. And now sweet chutney. Don't make the sweet chutney very runny. I have given the link where you have two recipes. One is instant one, another is khajur one. Choose whichever you want, but don't make it very runny. And now the most important ingredient, which is sev, which is why it is called as sev puri. If you get very thin ones, that's better. Here I don't have very thin ones, but still it works well for the recipe. Add it as much as desired and ensure to serve it immediately. Otherwise the puris can become soggy. Now our sev puri is ready to eat. Please try this recipe and let me know feedback. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to like our Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good day.